Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering invoices and the previous debtor balance. Make sure to have invoice numbers and dates. First, write the invoice line, customer, date, invoice hash, and amount, then split any sales tax in a separate column. Immediately post the double entry, debit debtors and credit sales. This records who owes you and why. Once done, update the running total and note the ledger folio, so individual customer ledgers can be posted later without delay or confusion. Now, focus on payments and adjustments that change the debtor balance. When money is received, enter the receipt with date and reference, debit bank and credit debtors to reduce who owes you. If you give a discount or issue a credit note, record it in its own column and post the appropriate discount or sales returns account. Make sure to explain why the adjustment occurred so the audit trail is clear. Once posted, cross-check totals so individual customer ledgers match the journal. Finish by reconciling the journal to the debtor's control account in the general ledger. Compare totals and explain any variance. Prepare an aged receivables list, current, 30, 60, and 90-plus days, to spot slow payers and decide on provisions for bad debts. If you find a mismatch, trace each entry, check invoice numbers, dates, and posting references, then make correcting entries with clear narration. Troubleshooting tip: if totals still differ, recount column, sums, and verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.